Before we begin our first lesson in creating the funnel, the first thing that you're supposed to do is to create a tag. So we're going to create tags, and just let's go to contacts and then tags and then create. This will help separate the emails, or anyone that will buy our product or our service will be placed under the specific tag that you name. So in our case, we are going to be selling events planning service. So we are going to name this events planning. So anyone who subscribes to our service will come under this tag that you just created. And the reason is for us to be able to engage with them through email marketing in future. So we'll be able to know that these customers belong to events planning service. So we can follow them up, or even upsell, or even send them an anniversary message or something. Just we're able to contact them and have them and give them what we call give them more value of being our clients. So we'll be able to be communicating with them. So once that is done, the next thing that you need to do is go to your settings. Go to your settings. You will want to go to payment gateways. Under payment gateways, you can connect Stripe and PayPal. These are the main ones. So connect those two. If you have a custom domain, this is where you go to connect it. Automatically, the system.io gives you a domain. But now if you want to add your own domain, you'll go to custom domain and then add domain. You can buy domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other provider that you prefer. So you can read this out just to guide you through. And also there are very many videos online just to guide you on how to connect your domain to system.io. There are quite a number of guides online. So once that is done, you have your tag in place, you have your custom domain if that's what you prefer, and you have your payment gateways in place. Then we are good to go to start creating our funnels, and then so that we can start marketing. Now we go back to the funnel that we had created and click on it. This is our funnel, so let me just arrange it as it should be. So we have the squeeze page, then we have the sales page, we have the order form where we make payments, our audience will be making payments through, and then we have the upsell and a thank you page. We need to edit and integrate all these pages. So the first one that we're going to do is work on the squeeze page, and then go to edit. Here you can put your logo there. You can change this into the color that you prefer. And then edit this into whatever that you want, the wordings that you need. In case you have a challenge in coming up with the copy, the text that you'll put in your squeeze page, just go to ChatGPT and give it all the details that you'd want captured. Give it instructions. You can base this on by getting ideas from existing websites, and then move to GPT and give it all the prompts that you'd want. And of course, it will give you a lot of ideas, which now you can edit and customize to what you want captured. You can delete some of the sections that you don't want. Okay, you can delete them just to maybe make the squeeze page not too big or not too detailed. It's very important to have some reviews which give your audience a lot of confidence just to want to learn more about you. And then on the buttons available, for example here, this is the button that you will link to the next page, which is our sales page. So when someone goes through your squeeze page and they get interested to learn more about your service or your product, they will click on learn more. So on your left, this is where you're going to put in the URL of the next page, which is our sales page. Let me get the URL first. So you're going to go back to your funnel and get this link, the sales page link. Okay, so get the link and then go back to the squeeze page that we're editing and paste the URL here. So now you've linked the two pages. Then don't forget to click on Save Changes. We all know the best way to get someone to put in their email address and submit is by giving them something in exchange. So in your case, for example, if you're a planner, you can give a checklist. If you're a coach, you can give a cheat sheet or something, and then get this person to put in their email address and submit. That way, in case they don't go to the next page, which is the sales page, you still have their email address and you'll be able to make a follow-up. Let's see how those two steps look like. So let's go to the funnel and then we get the link. Let's see if it's able to lead us to the next page. So this is our squeeze page. So when someone reads and they want to learn more, let's see where it takes us. Yeah, so it takes us to learn more. This is now once we edit, it will be our sales page. So this is where people get to learn more, and it's better to have a video, just a brief video explaining about your product or the service that you're offering, and then someone can be able to book a consultation with you once now they get enticed by the service that you're offering through the video. And of course, people prefer to watch than read, so I would prefer to have a video there. And then of course they read more. If they enroll, it takes them to the next page, which is a sales page. The next step that you're going to take is go to the info page, and then on your right, click on edit page. So edit the page, put all the info that you need to have. You can delete anything that you don't want. You can just customize. It's so easy to use Systeme.io to create your funnels. So easy for beginners, for whatever level of experience you have. As you can see, it's not techy. You don't need to be techy. You just need to know how to move things around, how to click, and read and be able to update. So in our case here, we want to maybe put a video. So you can upload all formats are supported, as you can see. So you can upload a brief video, or even select or paste a URL. Maybe you have the video in YouTube, you can paste it here, automatically it will load here. We can try that. Let me try get a URL or a video from YouTube. Now to change this into video, you need to go to elements, and then scroll down until you see video. Then drag and place it there. Then you can delete this one. You can delete the image. Now, click on that and then put the URL of your YouTube video. And there you have it. Autoplay. If you wanted to start playing immediately, someone lands into the page, you can put the autoplay on. To check on how your page will look on mobile, just go down and click on it was on desk mode and then put it on mobile mode to see how it looks on mobile. In case you want to undo any edits that you've done, just go and easily undo. Don't forget to save. You can also preview how your page will look like. Now, once you have edited your order form or where people will be making payments through, get the link and then come and put them in here. Okay, just click on any button or the buttons that you're going to create, and then just give instructions here. Next step, URL. So what we want is, once someone clicks on the enroll now, it will take them to the next step URL, which is to place an order, to buy. Then you can always change those. On your left, you'll be able to make any changes to the wordings that you want. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color. Guys, it's so easy to use Systeme.io. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you haven't signed up, please sign up into this. Use the link at the description. I'll appreciate. It's an affiliate link. I'm an affiliate. I'm not paid to do this, but I will get something small once you sign up and you become a paying customer. The beauty about Systeme.io, it allows you to get started at no cost. So you get started until you've grown your business to a point where now you need to maybe send more, create more funnels, host a webinar. At that point you can pay, but for now you're signing up at no cost. So we need to select open URL so that now we can put the order form URL here and then have it open on the same window, so that it's a step that is taking the client on the same window. It's a better flow of the funnel than having them open in a different window. So this is where you put in the URL of the order form and then save changes. So here is our order form. We are going to copy the link, and then we go back to, where do we go back? Where are we? Yeah, we go back here, assuming this is the button that we want people to click. Then save changes. So let's see how that looks. So this is our sales page, and after watching the video, you see it's automatic. I'm sure you've come across this kind of videos. So assuming someone wants to book our service and they go there to place an order, let's say it takes them to this page. Guys, can you see how easy it is? Go ahead and sign up for Systeme.io if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.